So what show me and now we youth now sorry. Follow near D for air catcher and I didn't catch on never wow. Say a part 2 parties now be a word near some way pre kissing or some one. Maybe when they say a sealed in their marriage. And my marriage, you know, a year bit say you're sealing it spiritually and physically. That is what I am seeing because and then so also would do be I was so to me kissing, of course. And yes, of what was kissing was sumu. Darkness things are not right. Into light, broad daylight things are the correct things. But maybe Jesus says, I would do hook up. Kissing is nothing. And maybe we as a so about the worry, and I will about the worry now. Men funny pictures and fan post page. This is a secret in conformity with what's a cause damages because of you are not say your town. Now we name so town. Into a whole picture, our guy, the profile as here. Other friend, hey, now who about the February page Nasi? Because of what a person we are nagging. So baby can't catch us about the February. It was about person minutes. I check next month. Who about whether forgetting. No, no, go what day. What happened between you and him or whatever it is. But what he can do the best is to damage. And I will also advise a lot of the youth say they should cut off friends. Some friends are enemies of your progress. It is just a sort of your entertaining and we are saying by your members new work was I mean also say I cannot preach old preaching here because they confirm they are young people. It's any people will then only no come I take sorry. Send your son with die about it. I was so money more into the menu of Kasa make asama or no or compare the system no near apostle. No what me so you say ya a bad one.
I got so much Jesus, so let's say for first time we have guess as mother so I do actually learn what I say to go on the camera. So after this we go first person there was I was saying maybe I say sorry you say a guy who I so you have person you go about saying am I quite a good man and I go also immediately about some year about the trend to see about the grass and say anybody and I also never can say Daisy food, yeah, or Namada, and they want to say a Christian nightclub. I know a better training you're not gonna for once of one. You just go and you're playing here, and I'm sorry, fast of paper, send a banner and look up the whole last room, or who say, who could be a so we know what to do, or who say they show in our academics. And no, if they depends on one, you said what about the Namada, that's a real. They say our little be a battle and keep so people are rare. Yeah, very good. Another way my work, I had the man said, and I want to over this baby, and the man answered, away a drop, our little anymore. Now you do much and says, yeah, 3 cases taxes, one for one. There is a number 2 minutes. Now, as a woman, I share a pioneer, or the first so any from one or so.
Oh, you're not excited? Wedding bells, wedding bells, wedding bells. Elvis Amponsa of the Anakazo Bible School is getting married to Darlene Amenya of the Greater Lafa. Please put your hands together for them as they come up. Oh, First Love Church, are you tired of clapping for people? They're getting married on Saturday, 20th October. The venue, Yongicho Chapel, Kodesh. The time, 2 p.m. Their colors are purple and gold. If you have any just cause why they should not be joined together, please say so now or forever hold your peace. They are going to give us their first practice kiss.
Is it
Please let's
biblical?
welcome Elvis and Darlene.
What does the Bible say about kissing or sexual acts before marriage?
Not too long, not too short. Hey, Darlene.
Drop a
It's
comment
okay,
on
it's
what you
okay.
think
It's
about
okay.
this.
Just a practice kiss. Today is not 20th October, please. It's just a practice kiss. Wedding bells, wedding bells, wedding bells. From Paul Owusu Setre of the Kadesh is getting married to Priscilla Dede Ato. Or encourage them, they are coming. They're getting married on Saturday, coming Saturday, 6th October. The time 2 p.m. The venue, the Kadesh. Their colors are navy blue, burgundy, nude, and blush. Please Google the colors. If you have any just cause why they should not be joined together, please say so now or forever hold your peace. They are going to give us their practice kiss.
Is it biblical?
Hey! Height cannot be a barrier.
What does the Bible say about
Wow.
kissing or sexual acts
He's
before
like-
marriage?
Oh, Carrie! Please come back. Popular request. You have to carry her and kiss it. There's the height
Drop a
difference.
comment on what you think about this.
3 piece, you have to carry her and, so that we can see the kiss very well, you see.
This church allows would-be couples to practice kissing before they get married. Is it biblical?
Hey!
What does the Bible say about kissing or sexual acts before marriage?
Let's love church, make some noise!
Drop a comment on what you think about this.
And then he gives us a label, the financial and as if free and another free. And yet, said this is to San and as it and then inside our doctor and then we know what we chow. They didn't come here, they know about and they don't know. And she says, Mammy, you are father.
Ayo ma ho fe. Yesu edunkum. Amen.
My and then just the social media for campus. Now, a bit just as a pre-practice kiss, yeah, a form, a DM, in our home, outdoor, sorry, and then said, immediately, I must say, in our sorry, direction.
Medase me chia we tie for ene wa hwefo. Omo share no mo like no mo comment no. Na me yo mo kase. No mbi o ma ware kwan, o ma dwuma mo kwan. Ade bi o ye o ma koma so bisade na mbre mu mo. Na me pese wi ase afa na nyina nti se wo yare na wansa wo mo yare a du. Ena se ma weduro na wanom a yare fo wo na wo no weduro. Wanom weduro so a du. Enti no se wa ba betie ana wa ba be hwe video wi so na e betimi aka che wane se nyabotre na tie nkomo no kopem the end na ne wo mu wo so be famu aba essence ye nyina yegusu sua ade nya se ni ba ku fo chirim enti yegusu sua ade ne etie ne se se ase ne asore ye akoye ne se asore ye na akoye bibie wo na enne nipa bebre kra pe akwa asore na nipa beba asore no kra no opese wonka asam de nko na ehye na so on person wetie any negative adebia, which is totally wrong, because any reason I am positive and negative move together. Even electricity, generating light, they have something they call positive and negative. It's these two things that will come together before light with my power. It is a we are now person better be born with asuma. When they are ready when you are ready for life, it was say with me accepting every negative and positive. When it is positive, you accept it. When it is negative, you work on it. Na emeye positive amount. Enti Christians and I say the youth of today no asore kono omo person beko. Enti me mo fa ko say pastor be and I say but asore one thing with church they say wo go church nyame nkasa hyeda e preserve wo ena o you free a social bebre mu ana ade bi be yes problem ama wo no oboso no wadane no ho aba be ya ade na ihira ma nti se wo kwa so am fa ne say wo kwa ma pastor you are going for yourself because you lift prayer pastor prays for you also pray your own into bi o hwe me bia memma enne modern world na ye wo mu ne ma bia nkofo kan dey go asori fi ana say e dey go asofo fi ni te no tu be ma ogbefu nkwa asori pasori bi sa asori wo man tem be bia bebi ne ko som nyame enye sofo na wo som oti atefo nyankopon na ade ba ko a wo bi se man dese me ya no ma wo ne say marriage I can ever the book of Hebrews ka say oba woni bema kabomu a very honorable something and now we can the book of Ecclesiastes too or see the 2 Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse now or see 2 head is better than 1 that means our area be bomu kwa dia shira ya hoto yedi and you will also generating collab they are generating a family. And as I say, so Bible so say, young going to say a one. And to me, coming one, and no one worry, baby, I'm worried. I try to 2 weeks. No problem at TSM. And ya check one assessments be. No problem at be a bit TSM, or more shape and ye. And to move time invite me where the cramming go. Because where the baby, the problem, come on, walk as such a parties, no common team, you walk on. Was no be a come up, but who said, the act of the devil. No, I best share 2 parties no more. Ubos na women ti asi women pene na we asa take bi na we asa take na ma aware no confusion na ya basa enti me where the one invite me member this one invite me adult no dey member because then the oma wo newborn baby ti member but where the baby o ma me say member was excuse me e tie ne say me hu ni say sesia no say ne aware e ko na e ye nti no wo ko register general sesia the rate of marriage and divorce is more than the rate of marriage new marriages are taking place. Which we need to work on it, especially not African person, but Ghana person. We need to work. We need to understand that 2 head is better than 1. So me no me say kaboma, but me ya de me ye. By say you won't you struggle it. Eti no mu benya abotre na aware na eden etimi agina. And as a wo kwa so de na pass e chewo. And the 2 of you for better for worse this animal na kissing this animal. Me who say we are in the global world. Everything is developing gradual. You free no now and surely be but and then most of the churches no ye shempoboa. I sorry I'm down ye shempoboa. But so obi ba sorry them say we are in the new generation world and now we are in the global world. Because many people shempoboa ma sorry. Oh ma sorry no. It me what I do is obi shempoboa na ba all right. Would the be sorry them all right. But alternative and I won't find Pobuano ember. So it makes it flexible for most of them. And no, my dear, we still have a problem on it. Me will remember I find Kevin. So I know I have noticed a lot of people. So but sorry, not say sorry porn, no, so if you are not one personal issue, your person me discuss here. Essence so be in the Pobuano will take former Babe who will alter listening to know. Who was not about Mama, I will call you, no, because Pomuni say I say local way. But I will advise each and everybody say in your father's house or in your father's room, you will think from Pobo and Fanko. So I respect here as my father's office. It's me papa them, me from Pobo and Fambas. And son Maya, and yes, say beer, me papa and Miss Mabaye, na me twasweko. And I know say eboa because there are so many things that to me, I mean, me never alternate na me nyabe bomb in pie keke. And young pie the dingy baby, say my buttons, I yes say to be. One word they can make it will answer more than 5 Niama Meshe. It's in me respecting my autumn partino. So I will show me and then we youth now Quasoria. Follow near D for no air catcher, and I didn't catch on never wow. Say a part 2 parties now by a word near some way pre kissing or some one wire. With the social media, but yes, a pre kissing about no more years. See, I know what's another than a trend in the apostle. Maybe when they say a sealed in their marriage. And my marriage, you know, I bit say you are sealing it spiritually and physically. That is what I am seeing because and then so also would do be I was able to me kissing, of course. And yes, of what was kissing was sumu. Darkness things are not right. Into light, broad daylight things are the correct things. Sana me met me catch any penina. Meaning will be arguing that I tell him catch or say I drink any back of food. the starting video because just adwene eni back obia won adwene ne ti ase ode be pure asen wu but the me patch ne wiase afa na nyina video we beto mo na me mo fa ne personal say di for the kasa mu kisi wa so dem a eye say di for the person bia na me kan so dem no marriage stay gu pa eti na say my person you sure of say two parties they love each other we love asana o matimi ababa wari ati na wo so mo eti no ka say not too long not too short eti mean to me no I see say there's nothing wrong with it.
Mama, yes, ebi enela ibu so ni bi eba bontin say sa aware no kura yi feel ni bia you may now kiss your bride omo twem asori dem enu ko na afofo hirafu na enu edo ma ba ye hwa ware no enu so ni bi say omo twem na afin na wo papa ware no ye hu poposa ade be chiama ni wedding day for so ni ware bi jai ye hu poposa obati asori dem twen say be ma ni beba na be ma na masa ware no wo ware na mo be sa practice ni start to asori dem na be me ebe tu obe ya no do mo tu teze bia 1 month ni be ni wachira na watchi kwese be bia be me ba tu obe ya no 1 minute na ade a china se be man kasa wo ware no ba kasa me ware bi ma na sa kids na wo ye ye na emfaso be ne ba so
say me da say me tell you say before me so do mo kiti dada
Sunday ke ko be ni ho akeneta
oh that be but anything in terms big like say anything in darkness na fake. But when it comes to broad daylight, na obia mienu mi say witness to it, and genuine something. It is say you can say the kisi o partner. You what is wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. I don't see anything wrong with that. I just say nipa ebia na opese affording the partner no. And now say opese I don't see I personally don't see anything wrong with that. Me who say e normal. Say pastor ne ko aboma mama ware na timi last. Oboma mama ware na timi I team moda amam. Enti na e wo so munya asika ko mfa koma pastor no because o say before on some be enti mu dey say dey bia kiss na be ko so mo wan tentem na kiss ni ntwa na afi mo ya no wode but me did say wo do hu kafo pa kissing is nothing anya bibi asa and I want say ebi wo ho omutimi hihya aware na aware na agu na ebia na obi wo ye oba ne wa so ye de na se be ma ne wa so de me ye twen oba ne so oba na se aware na ntimi anko so ne ya cancel bebe na spiritual attack ebi si ye gossip ebi si ye konkonsa there is one lady bia owakuma so a very popular boutique lady owakuma say new marriage was something like that one of the marriages I heard about it was something like and adamfu and a year then e konkonsa sema aware ne ye den egu yo. So a be a lack of communicating or being with the rightful people. Say we share right partner. Now we know why. No be catch and after we be on fan yejuma. Ni onu be hunu and no de yejuma and we find a matured person. And let these days no. And in a court, I am a supporter say almost deformation of character. Me supporter a particular person in power. And when somebody says something about you that is not right, who will clear evidence and you have a video and recording about it, who best summon nipa to the court. Because I acquire the big says had already destroyed and damaging a lot of people images in this Ghana. And you know, ama aware bebre shaky Ghana has a see because and say you how you be catch wo bukafo and now say you be catch obi hu acho so when you bargain papa be dia ko deeper you may think say true but na be true no mo dey say nipa no ma man nipa relation I say it me no me support is ad no pa but me person we asa fa na nyina obi ati ase say so wo ba be ware and na wo hu oba bi na be ware na men fan the pictures and fan post to page. This is a secret in conformable what's up with you. Cause damages because you are not say your town. Now we name so town. Into a whole picture our guy the profile as here. Other friend, hey, man, who about the February page now say because a person we are not doing. So baby can't catch and say about the February. It was about person minutes now. And check next month, who about where forgetting. No, not going one day. What happened between you and him or whatever it is. But what he can do the best is to damage. But what you say, into onya destroy now dream Emma Weya. This guy will meet you, but onya that kind of love. You want to marry you, a bit shaky. Eti ene wiase obia wo so ma adwene eyi ejuma more than the word calculator. Nyema bi wo ha ye hold the break to rate. Apply knowledge on that thing before. And I will also advise a lot of the youth say they should cut off friends. Some friends are enemies of your progress. One person who can't go and I will hear you're moving forward, it becomes a threat or a fight or something they cannot feel comfortable with it. Intino who ya adebia ya didn't asana wa catch them because any depending na enedo enye ano any techema na bi an esreche wo no it is time that people have to learn. Yeah, it's very, very important.
Mommy, and can nanka adebu o na you put here kaye hwe Christopher Mami you need to set nightclub, you need to set Valentine, you need to set lesbianism gays in there I try to say now so come here say ene ye wu ma what say ti wo chichi na ye ti wo Christopher ene e ba Christopher and then ye yan set 14th February we say so many na every dress code na by red and white yeah Valentine Day na sorry the order on ubia na the boy ubia in the name of couples nights and singles and one no more media branding no more dia ba e be say a form of promoting ejamabo wa sorry and na yes Christian night club na enante ni maba wa kwa na ko anadu wo ko near the chapel sim yes ye go gospel ya frenya me na e do ma ko kubwa e chiye Sanuma woni na ni chese eye forma ye bi introduce katala kase ye si wo ye chimabunu ye biase no but e biase no na e biase re
but that's my beautiful young lady. Me tell you say obi biara o hwe ana o hwe ne no message wo se ko pa hwe de abrabo na e tare ama wo de tare awai ni amade de ba wa brabo o pa hwe de twa ne po so seven fagu esu na efa open doors perfume never never can never dwell for 22 days. So we your Bema 21 days. We your usually for 14 days. Now ade ba ko na meka che ewiase afa na nyina ne se nyame sum ya de bia esom pa but it need people are on adwumu do. So wadwumu do be fi se nyame sum ya grodi. Se meka me personal experience actually we are seeing now. Tell me na me wo me wiase no. Na me nye Christian about 6-7 years ago na me nye Christian. Na me that's what me Muslim religion na me nye Christian. I see everything as normal. But me ba Christo so no never do what I don't do it because I have become a public figure. Now say be a leader. Until I carry a lot of loads. Besides, people are looking up to me. Until never do what say nightclub. I don't venture. Because nightclub goes with a dress code. You cannot wear something like this and appear in a nightclub. You will look as a cool person. But in nightclub, we go with things that is shorter, sexy ways. And you know, I advise myself. I won't even before first. And I'm a mean Christo. Me person be to mania to boni. Time and I'm a mean Christo. Yeah, time and Vienna was. Yes, Vienna City. Circle. We were Fridays. You move. We were in group and then me position in me give bia me boom. Yes, we take glass there more. You two bobo more be about or two bobo bobo glass in other pipe. Until you need to advise yourself. And you been a was so catch down. It didn't make us a Christosome this time. You know, a young will be an argument. Why do you draw? You cannot worship God. Because at the moment I will be fast at I will follow Christ. No, that is where problems will rise. And to say, Obi wako wari aware fufuro. You know, Bemani nyawadi will be a why? And because of the second part now of the camera, until I was saying shaking mutu no, and so you will take the smooth level. It's more need to come out because I'm calling one problem that is there. Calling one of the and I'm calling one problem either because I am spiritual, I am physical. It is Sana Christosome is a thing. It is yes, a sort of ye entertaining a real sense. By your members, new what was I mean, also say, I cannot preach all preaching here because they are young people. Me obi wa when you be 50 years wa. Nipa wa when ni pa wa I think 48 years. Enti no ono obo ye 48 for be me no me sabi. Omo maka na dia youth. Enti utai nipa we no then only no koka a cake story. Send us on we jai ba. Nti e was so the moldy nti no me omo kasa me ka asama ono obe compare the system no ne ekoso na watimi hu so ye ni seya ebeboa no oye ni seya ebeboa no me ma so na wonye adwuma wo ti okope adwuma yi because tight no I move by you one on one no wetua often no me frɛ wo fabra betu uni sika frɛ wo betu na o sika betu nyoko nti you need to work for it but what I say say we be ware wa ha and obi be cop program bi na bia me frɛ wo one on one obi afa sika fabra obi yare ana bia me frɛ one on one this obi a wo de nim sɛ wo ni bi eno de me frɛ wo phone kura but no kwa me frɛ wa chia wo na ma bo wa na ta ni pass ni si me time aso ti fra so penyin no na fa wo contribution ye den e command but what I say eno kwa da je wo wiase na enam ni nyina no 14 Valentine Day has become a general public something. It is a worker as a pastor who host with church that particular day. You are forced to host the church. Why? Members need to be called out for celebration. One take it time because they become beach, they become nightclubs. Until normally no 14 February, me host 2 service, me morning service and evening service, so that you'll be able to grab them and speak the word of God to them. Although they get fair, but there are ages and time you need to have or show that love. Because and no one take it now because love will be another love here. That is where you end up a father dating or a father sleeping with your own daughter or a mother sleeping with your own son, which is wrong. And yet because of that emotional pressure. And you know, for you to reduce those things within your members, and was so making sure that by preaching the word of God to them on that particular day, you don't allow them to go. You talk to them when you want to enjoy this day. You need to marry. There are so many activities taking place on that particular day. It is just a be a sorry na entertaining. I don't know. And the color red, no, and one of the powerful signals. As you see, sorry, the man. My name say, Oko ancient world. The color red is one of the most powerful color. And the color red was gone. Never so quick ye. Depending on red and black, so quick ye. This was red means love. And it's very powerful. And who ya dear piano you so read that just when you break. Yes. Into no and so bad color biasa. And a white shows presentable. And a white more beer who's only wears missing. And you know any bad adibia to me make us say very bad, sir. And bad, sir. And they should encourage the ministry and encourage the youth to be attending services when it is 14th February instead of going to the beach and other places to harm themselves. They should appear in churches and worship. That 1 minute now, they will see the about the empire. They may be ye a should be an appropriate gift to somewhere now. Yeah.
You share Bible one. Yes, you said your person will be the machine. Only 9 of us in here. You can be the machine. Meaning, is to soon and yet flexible. And yet, and I'll be no person. It is a one say, I said, we are supposed to live on night club. To me, kiss you one said your home pay, to me, you said your home pay. Not your young soon, what upon you really say. I was so denied almost had him, and I say, when soon. Maybe the same thing as when I'm soon one. Send a purpose suppose with that here.
That's it. But they tell us a Christo Sumu. When you cry to take a year, one of the difficult sessions. So, Nipan to was here. Omeka so kwa wo free nyame so na wo free nyame Kristo sum wati na de de ya me ka che youth ni sese nyame frɛ wo na wo hu si nyame afrɛ wa na nyame de wo be yeduma ye ntem because one of the areas because when a pastor is going through situations you can't explain yourself to anybody, and one whom are you going to even explain to? Nipan on to was a situation whereby you are a pastor, you are making everything possible for somebody not to be in a bad situation, not about Christo Mono. Nipan be we a jacket was away before. Obi away actually sikadia correct diamond. Obeka se wokrano. Who the siki go sika na diamond. Obi just say it's a whole lot. Obi awo be man the divine connection we menye obi wa be church of probably no connect will sing the diamond se ko ware no. Ebe we ti kwa nipa no ma so bi. Christosunya one of the most difficult idea e was asiwe so de bia me ka say osofu bia wo hwe mi bia na me ma osusu mu anwode ene edi so anwo because enye easy and that hobeti na nyame hu ye mobo na ejuma na odi ahye yesase ye no yentimi yenko ewie because when nyame from now also get carry cross now, people will mock at you, people will laugh at you, people will fight you, people will underrate you. There are so many things, and yet is so be carry cross no. And it mean I have made myself say, when you mock at me, me bon pa say nyame fa sa position na me bomu no enfa share wo so na wo so meye sofo na ye hwese ubetimi aye quarter of what I am doing na me so sister and that from sakiko eyede say Sunday bia na weekly service bia you will appear say one of members check nyame asem na mo ka nyame asem na obiti aso dem na omie mi phone and obiti aso dem na asem na wo kan ono wa ba aso dem o but to say boni for ninja o wa aso dem o say onye okay o chona o hwehwe ne ti no mi phone why busy on the phone so that asem na wo nyame so for wo catch then the over aso ne be here that means it is an attack yeah attack is a particular person and yet easy asofudie na mebo nyame mpa say obi bira wo ya member wo kwa asafudie mu no me masofu ni with that problem. Yenya, what do what you can to be a complete member and now say to service God from your heart, not the man of God or the woman of God. Some nyame wo wan kasa wakum. Na nyame fighting ma because say nyame fighting ma wo or fighting ma personally, I'm fighting masofu. So for no so nyame fighting ma no so dey different issue. Different category and am abet mu e wa so dem obi afri different homes and different background. Into obi adwen enya baako. Enti mesre say obi biara o share wo platform yi say asofudie na nye easy sir and that form better. O carry cross now. You carry a whole lot. You because obi expect say obeka ono na sem. And they be me was saying me because a prophetic message go enye by sitting down and calculating no. Prophetic message is a gift that drops during ministration. It is a suffering no do but the descendant no dey ejuma. We have such people there. Any one suffer do on one idea but operate through dreams. It you know down and maybe ya challenge to about them and other can. It is normally you have to apply knowledge. And then you work on what they will never can assert them say. And then you each and what they will say. You need to apply common sense over there. Because I saw it, sister, a whole lot of things. It's a whole lot. Mimi ni mo bi awo sa ne yare, o yare awo sa ne yare no kra no. O san so, o no oba na o sa ne yare, san so say do na adama no beku. Na wunti ka didie be na onya oba di pare na ase. Etele wiase no asesa. Wiase ne ntese tete ne bio. Ene aye bibio nti na de me ka se. Nipa bi o wa asase we so wo tanfo na ye yare. Eti wo ho be hwe ho ye na yare ambo. Na yare bo mpofre mu a. E ho na obeti nkwasi asan wo wasu. Ubeti se so bi na agba ubia. Ubeti se wadi obi kunu. Ubeti se wadi obi yere. Nsumi ke na nyanyi na o. Eye wu na wan hwe wo yiye wa de dia ho kekeke no. E na a develop yare because nipa wo ho na wudidi. Na wuntimi ko private year. Yare bia kekeke ni bo because wo yefunu no e store nema bebre. Nti ebedu baby no. Ubon say excuse me to use this. Chiefi na wuntimi nko no. A block you veins. Ama wo na ma ye style bi. Why ye barrier blood cannot flow. Yare bia keketini bo. Enti wutimi didi ni kwa dem make sure say obekọ private. So one go private then na watching you know you are living dead. So one do so every day like 2 or 3 times as an adebesan. You have a problem, especially when you are a man. You have a serious problem. And when you are a woman too, you are very good. But make sure that you check out because diabetes it may operate in that area. Most and I do that because so we do so it may operate now do so too much. Diabetes is easy to affect you. The issue you did ye. Na issue nyama bia ye na abrabọ ni entimi enko ne nimu mai.
Mami, ye be di nyama na ye the first way to me be bia na ye first na
Catch it.
And for the first asomo fedua and amenya that. Is it because say the chair was for the two entinama ebiase nyameletie nyakan abirwa so yuma na yeni kan ka ya twede wo chire no asese wo ba be you see for this
Who said Bema Bia a 3 hour machine? And he said, when Bema a brow sister and yes at Ketra, so when Bema or brother Ubisu, because Nipsy custom the Bia up blockade. It's no be a million, so don't go trash again. Now on Channel, Yakasa pop neponepa, aha, upon me. It's in a probia basis on this kind of no price, be a me Godfred, and I me Ajakum, and I me Kofi, and I me Asante. Me chat a shidemu. Na Ajebira Edi Minya El Mabrabo me trophy Mabrabo. So there are words you be saying, one gasa will show condition situation I would name one. Then you can be saying that one's cutting it. And with that, no spiritual, the sign or the signal in it, nature say, which is how they could get through a brabo. And we are them and son of a camel. And soon a signal say, and you can be a was as you be as you do with Jason. It would do with Jason and Tinu. So would the and son of Camel, and no beer a bonny do with you. It's near them, it's 3 hour brabo. And I naturally was any baby out me a cleansing. Nippy was as you is superior. A brabono echo you, and I enco you, but than air cleansing. Now all the time, what to me attracted to good energy, who attracted to good energy, the world. Now we should know at the 21 days now. And just 21 days in the room, can I will be a but a mouth will be fortified very well. Yes, and Oba, I didn't say Oba, and just 14 days. And married with her, it was 7 days of stopping. Now, for awareness, because after 7 days, if you are now enter into the menstrual time, but and you menstrual time there, you can flow within that 7 days. Now, I will punch. But a man, no more need menstrual 21 days straight. It is all person who cuts now. Who cuts now, making sure that we book Jenny and toes a pair at the back. No one cutting. Who cutting? You know what start here. About wow, I'm a usika sem. With you must sem. I did a way and a beco with me. Meanwhile, all you do, I have very much in commanding oil. And you're very, very effective and powerful. So we used to commanding oil. We are. Would you must sem near how? What is sem? I did a do now. Bravo. Who do you use money? But what also do also you so idea. Also, may use idea where to be the don't do that. Continue to use never wow. You use spiritual idea one day. In fact, so we are now courses in the Yama withdraw, my dear. Who say Yama will do not need to make yourself repeat it. And I'm what repeat it. Just say or person who said, and I you draw system who pass. And you know what's already who be repeat it. It's a bomber as a who use spiritual idea are not necessarily say what over her. And now what will be, and now what will be repeat it. I don't know. Who repeat here? Now the show will die soon. Nation of Papa Wobo. You will see a difference. They are clear.
Now you are feeling massive, as I said. A general was so you, and no, not every. Send a thing I can't before go to us. As you feel away a joy. Nothing come my neighbor because the nation. A general offer. It's not a name. Send a baby as in your mother. And young you were as so you and asking a soon. And I learned that I didn't have any the other two.
Made us say. And it is a washer for any with tea for me, the Apache beach. So, Obi are shook. They show direction be a wow. One will cram mine. Who said, didn't I listen? Maybe it's other direction. They just can't cram mine. It's not a say, this other direction, a bonus mom. One was a comment to me, could to be able to meet the baby, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and I want to be no sorry. Almost a cram is sorry, I can't cost us a while here. Never be for a two. Never be for a see. Never be ever good so for money panel yarisuk no friend. Enter vessel. Would the other friend to the end of the betchin? And then the other friend is soon would be there. Enter. Once a common dawa for some time, I saw in Nasu. Was a nipan so that's already Nasu worker. May I say, why some mammy can be say, I saw it, Jano. And now said the Holy Ghost fire in the ministry and call from you. But a year nipper been margin say a coffin. And a year not a year Zanko from William Mobile. I sorry fire near woman and I do my work sorry be a moon call from. A depending man of God and a woman of God. And I found that no what I saw none. And a beck causes a problem. So found that they cast on our soil that we two and our tompe. The Jana then a coffin. By so on toya on 2 years ejane enko from nyame oye senchani nyakopon and ogusu ye ne juma 50 na ni juma na oye no ogusu ye ne enebremba enekwa no wa modify nyama bia oye enti no se wo asori bia mu a enye se bia sofo ne hu ade by in the olden days no nyama no ye ne sesia no ya perform because ye ni monitor nyama bi because ade bi on e koso asafu mu a e wo se wo di weni shot na sa ehu the end of ade no se the nipa ne person o kire because o person wo kana onya akapa wo se nipa no ada no so ade no ye bi ntube jano na wa ye na agini na ne nyama o person ne behavior no wa behavior ada na edi na wo me organ is wa see obo organ man wa bo organ wa sorry we for the past some years recently so ko sika na my dear sika pewo obi timiti sika so nso no ni sika bisam say identity because obi wa hot gold so gold sika so accommodate because nyame fa sa 2 minutes nkita it is a wutimi sorry free sorry dem ka say me come be a gold mine wo akopɛ sika because wo nya sika no because wo free asori dem call be bia na wo bɔ no ana wo position ada ho pan nti nyame de sa so chen be den e betwu eno na the youth of today they are refusing to understand e wo so mutimiti niama bi ase e say ye wa asori na wo dimu na wo ya nyame o masika wa asori dem but o manyansa any opportunities e wa asori dem and you say in the course of so wa asori dem na wo bɔ drugs na wo to nyom na wo yese na wo clinic in asori dem na nyame ma wo sa nim ye say aw who cleaning asori dem bi na kono committee ni pass me say bi obeni mo obi e fa wo business we hu ukoka ya almost nipa no ayeden watima ayeden watie na waboa wo sanete God doesn't give money in church but God give opportunities and chances. Okay, in the book of Ecclesiastes say it is time and season and I used to work but I say you know I did be a wa sorry mu it have its own effect but any members na nasa na mafona ya ba no we want everything in a sharp. Now, give yourself an intent no. Ebegu, ebe say. And the yen nema bia will be asking intent of be your time. You take your own time, you follow the thing by rules and regulations. We will say, be here, we are a beya boko no di boko. The kwakwa make a check yourself and then say, they say we are there. Puso apostle Dr. Mingo Mahumano. Puso Ahumano, friendly number no. Nani be din komo. Na we draw metimi apusti ama baby bira wo bi asa fa se Ghana ha hefa baby a wo bi aye delivery ko nyama bi a wo ye spiritual nyama bia but me advice wo say frema ho de ma homa no so na me ne wo mbo ho komo na me kire wo nyama a wo betimi aye na wo so bedi de ewe asase we su ejuma wo ye beko yi bibi a wo ye be yi wa gware na wo nti nyama bia sa wo de poso ahoma no ejuma bi a wo ye no wo de frema baby na say gwo no kwa nye wo juma Femina me che wadwuma wo beye na wo so adi yi ebi na bebi a wati wadwuma no so na wa bi adwuma no wo no so e hokọ amoa wo femina de me di nkomo na me che wo bebi a wo se wo bi wadwuma adwuma bi o bebi a ye bi wo e na asase we so bebi a wo ade bi a wo ya ebebua wo enti frame e wo ma homa no so 053 049 5189 o frame was ahoma we so wo sabeka na ne wo mu bia no betimi no abo ho komo na me shira no yokesi
abusia meda wo so nya brenya da ni hwe medina as doctor number when nya ma ne ho mede number no da beto screen no as na weti nya fa na wa friend no hwe komo wo ha ya wo so to abla let's say we go down comments or comment section go and ya man on social media handles and too much to post to like that na go for so